Every day the style and who wants what changes. So today somebody's wanting the 60 to 61 Chevrolet trucks, and we've got 3 of them. So we're going to take a look at all 3 of them. This one is a TBI motor, but they've converted it over to a carburetor. And in a previous video we looked at the motor in it. Hubby's not here today, so I can't get that hood on. But we got tires and wheels put on this one. This one, the bed, the bumper, front and rear, and the grill is sold, but this one's got a little hole right here in the door. This is a pretty solid truck for the year. I mean, it's a 61 plate side bed, but that thing's sold already. This door's complete. The glass is not broke. The bottom of the door right here is a little, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little bit of rust right in there. Maybe a little here. But the rocker panel don't look bad. Carpet's under here, so it probably's all right, but I'd have to rip that out. It is so cold today. It's like 37 degrees today in Toccoa, Georgia, up here in the northeast mountains. Come see us and see the Toccoa waterfalls. It's really nice if you ever get up this way. All right, there's the inside manual. Over here and see if we can look at the other side. But like I said, this bed's already sold. When we first got it, I think you might have saw it with no wheels and tires, but we put wheels and tires on it. These are cool right here, I think. I like them. That's separated, but like I said, the bed's already sold anyway. Take a look at the top up there. Well, we got 3 of these we're going to look at today. Here's this side, so there's a little hole right here. And right there. So, a little bit of damage there. Oh yeah, that floor right there might need some work. Somebody covered it up with some carpet. You never know what they're going to do to these things. There's some damage right here. That door looks pretty good. There is some damage down here on the bottom. You'll have to check out that previous video to see the motor and stuff. You see I got my hood on here. Alright, let's go look at that other one. Let's see. And this one's 1800, okay? We're gonna look at this other one. That's probably the middle of the road there. We're gonna look at the worst one I got, then we're gonna go look at the one I think's the best last. Y'all stay tuned. If you see anything through here you want another video of, let me know. A lot of people ask about this T model over here. We're gonna do a video on it soon if y'all want a video on that. And then also that 39 Dodge over there. Get a lot of requests on that one. Probably do a video on both of those. We got this 51 Chevy Deluxe and that Fleetmaster right there. Working our way over here to this 61. Alright, there we go. This one right here is it's kind of rough, you know, missing a door. And I think the top of it's been crushed in. So this one may just be like parts and pieces. Somebody might need some parts and pieces off of it. These seats sometimes are hard to find. My husband said he wanted to put some new bucket seats in that 84 Chevrolet that we got, but I told him I wanted the bench seat so I could sit close to him. Alright, there's the inside of that one. This is the step side, where that other one was a fleet side. Small back glass there. Thank y'all for watching our videos. We really appreciate that. I really, really do. You help promote our business here in Toccoa, Georgia, and we appreciate that so much. This is a 63, it said. I thought it was a 61, it says 63. I could be wrong on my years, though. Y'all let me know if I am. Let's see if this door open. Oh, of course not. Me and doors have problems. Here's a motor, engine, whatever you want to call it. Alright, I don't, this one ain't got a price on it, so we must just be parting it out. But if you wanted the whole thing, you could buy it. That cab's standing in right there too, so that's a little rough. Alright, let's see about this one up here. They call this the knee knocker truck. I'm not sure if those others are knee knockers or not, but that's what everybody calls this one. So this is a 1960, I believe. Oh, my hand's freezing. This has got that different kind of hood on it than the other ones do. This one to me is in really good shape for the year. I like this truck. I have partiality to some that's here on the lot, and this is one of them. The straps for this thing are gone. This right here is a solid truck. I think I'm asking $4,000 for this one. There's the fleet side bed. There's some tailgate. Oh yeah, there's a tailgate too. Again, we got your little chains there. I had to put this in the back, getting it out of something else, so I'll have to get Hubs to help with that one to get that out. He's working on his Camaro today. He's putting a wiring harness in it. We'll check that out later on this afternoon and see how he accomplishes that. Well, we got this one here's the side. There's the VIN plate. It's got a VIN plate on it. No doors. Y'all call me and let me know if you're interested in either of these three of them. Like I said, one's kind of parts, and then two you could do something with. I think that one has a motor inside it. Oh me. Give us a call, 706-244-4338 here in Toccoa, Georgia. We'll be happy to have you call us, and thank you for watching.